this is my cousin Alice.
Hi.
And basically, she lives on a farm.
A very big one.
Yeah. I still. Well, anyway, let's go. Right, the cute kid chicks. Wait until you see this. Yeah, we're doing a farm tour.
So, this is my farm. I can go all
She got a quad bike.
yeah, I can go all the farm work because we're getting work done.
This is a farm's life.
House. So, we'll take you to the lambing shed first.
Yeah. The lambs are so cute. You. We've only got 2 lambs at the minute because we just let them all go.
Pet lambs and then all the other lambs are in the shed.
All the other lambs are in the shed. So
This is normally the sheep shed, but we've got cows now because we've got pigs up that like someone's renting the shed off. So pigs will put where the cows normally.
wait until you see the chicks.
So first we'll go to the pet lab.
We've only got 2 of them so far. Because
All the rest are in the field. So
look at them. Hello. Hey. Show them how to properly feed and like tell them how you like get around them when you drink it. When you get them to feed.
We've
Like,
already fed them today, so I'll just demonstrate.
so that's
So
the little
you
bottle.
can go in, but I'm not going to go in.
You'll,
So you can put your hand under its chin.
sometimes when they're only tiny babies, you'll put your legs around them.
Yeah.
Shut up, you.
And then you'll squeeze its mouth a bit so you can fit the bottle in. And then you just hold it like that and then put your hand over its nose.
All right, let's go see them.
Let's go and... Sorry. Cows, I said, look at the calves. The calves are really nice. Have you ever seen it? Yeah, the calves are nice.
Don't worry, you can zoom in. Come here. You too. And just look at that beauty.
And then those are
Oh God, wait. All right, 2 zoomed in. Bulls. Where's the rings? Where's the rings around the nose? What? Wow, the grow. To save the babies, the prop. Here's a big stack of hay. Can you hold the camera, sir?
Yeah.
Talk about those families.
This is Charlie.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm a perfect fan. Yes, let's go to the chicks. So those are the bulls,
Right.
those are cows.
And off we go. Don't check out a TikTok. Check out a TikTok account. What is it called?
Well, Charlie will put it on the screen.
No, I can't edit. I won't put it on the screen.
But it is Alice.XOXO_0.
And do the chick.
Check it out.
Don't
It's
let
a
me.
private account, so I'll have to check. See if I want you to see them all. It's private.
And look.
The chicks.
Can you hold the phone? Film me.
Gonna get one.
Yes, I will do.
Look at that booty. Look at that booty. Oh, shut the door. Look at him. Technical difficulties. Pick one up. Don't be shy. You got one. Is it going to focus? Focus. There we go.
Look how cute it is. Oh, hello. Oh, can I kiss it?
Yeah. These are about 2-3 weeks old.
Oh, no.
You punched it.
Yeah, no, because I didn't see that you was going to give it to me. Do you want to put it down on the floor? Put it on the floor, look at it. Oh, it's like angel.
We're going to see the sheep now.
Yeah, and then I want you, then you'll film me parkour.
Those are some sheep.
Alice, just so you know, I can do this.
Yeah, I know. These are some sheep.
What are
Are they ewes or tucks?
What? You should know.
Ewes.
You. What are the ewes or tucks behind the scenes?
Ewes are like
Oh,
girl
I got poo on my. I'm so happy because I'm wiping it off with. Normally, Alice will kiss me to mad, but she can't because of lockdown.
Yeah.
And just so you know, you are allowed in people's houses in certain bubbles.
Yeah, but like we're like trying to limit. how
Right,
close we get.
right, Alice, you got parkour up. Use on the rocks.
So,
You get more views.
obviously we're doing like road work, like work outside. That's why it's a bit.
It's gonna be flat soon.
Yeah. Oh, we better if Charlie does it next time.
We're gonna be.
Farm tour.
We're gonna do just after this video. After this video, you can watch. Alice wants to do some couple videos, so you'll be hanging around with her for a couple vlogs. Alice,
And what we're gonna do?
no,
Okay.
got to keep it. Can you film me climb up here?
Yeah.
Just
So Charlie's gonna go. No, Charlie, let's show him the pigs first.
right, pass me.
Is your blooming no number plate?
Don't worry.
So
Go.
these are the pigs.
Oh, hey! Can I call this pig Gert?
Yeah.
Gert. If you didn't know, all of that's poo. Right, now show me do parkour.
So now we are going to take you to. Well, Charlie's going to attempt to go on the bales. You're right there.
What?
Hold the camera, please.
Oh God! I've dropped the camera. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, it's hard to get up. One sec, guys. Yes, please.
Shall I show them around like the farm, what you can see from our house?
Yeah.
So look, this is our farm.
Give a house tour. Do you want to give me the house tour later?
Yeah, tell us down in the comments if you want a house tour.
We'll do it anyway.
Yeah, we'll just do it.
So, don't write mean stuff about it in the comments. It's the first time YouTube film.
Yeah. And I'm a bit sunburnt if you saw my face, my ugly face.
You'll be on videos a lot more now.
Yeah, now we can like see each other and stuff. So that's my dad's wagon. There's like loads of stuff there. And then these are all the fields. Look at all the view.
His dad's the farmer. Here comes the dad.
My dad's on the tractor. Well, JCB. We're on the bales right now. There's Charlie. Hello, Dad.
Hello.
Yeah, there's loads of like building work stuff going on. So yeah. He's going to feed all the cows and sheep. Should we go and climb on? Look at it.
What are you? Just keep walking around with it.
Should we go back to the house now?
Right, pass me.
Should we go back to the house?
The outro here. I'll
Yeah.
let you do the outro and you won't pass me the phone. Pass me it. Alright. Well, one sec. Well, I suppose that's a wrap. Well, bye guys.
Bye.
See you. See you all next time.
There should be 2 videos up.
Oh, there's going to be loads of videos, at least
Yeah.
60 for the
Yeah,
best.
there's going to be like 2 with me in.
Right. Oh, there'll be loads of you in.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
I might do.
Wait.
And check out my TikTok. There'll be TikToks for Charlie.
Oh, look.
Link in